Hello, today I will show you how to create nozzle based on the weld neck flange EN1092-1. For that one, we need to create a couple of reference planes. Central one we'll use as a base. This will be the total length. We will assign it to property of the length. Then we will add thickness of the facing reference plane, then thickness of the flange reference plane, then end of the weld neck flange itself, and then we will jump to the inside diameter of the flange, of the nozzle, outside diameter of the nozzle, and outside diameter of the flange. For you just to understand, I'm using this picture. You can use the same if you would like to. And now let's add properties. Annotate. First will be inside diameter. Don't forget to click on equal to ensure that the dimensions. Do not forget to click on the equal to ensure that the plane is placed on the equal distance from the center. Same will be for the outside diameter of the nozzle. Same we'll make for outside diameter of the flange. Okay, so the outside diameter of the flange, I will point it to the top. Then around the flange, then length of the weld neck part. I'll call it simply L. This will be D. This will be the outer. The U2, and this will be equal to the nominal diameter. Nominal diameter. Great. Also, we need to define the thickness of the facing. I will name it as F1 according to the standard that I showed you. Then thickness of the flange including facing, it will be C. And of course the outside diameter of the weld neck of the neck itself. And it will be N. Great. I think that's it. Yeah, for now let's park it here. Let's jump to the lookup table. Let's check if I have this property here. Of course not. Okay, let's create a new one. Let's create it right here. New group. Yep, let's make it like that. Will be type of text. Call it lookup tab. Okay. Okay, and now we can add it. Now let's look at the lookup table itself. I have created it in advance. So what do we have here? Here we have nominal diameter, pressure ratio, thickness that we're not gonna use, outer diameter of the nozzle, outer diameter of the neck, outer diameter of the flange, diameter of the facing, and K, diameter of the bolting, and the thickness of the facing itself. Great. Yeah, let's also add the description of the nozzle. So I will call it nozzle. Then nozzle, weld neck, raised face, and DN 10, DN 10, PPM 16. Into the step. Yes, like that. Great. And now let's load back. Here I will define just a default value. Like nozzle. Save it. Save as. Browse. Nozzle dummy. And CSV, comma delimiter. Great. We are done with it. And now let's load the lookup table. Yes. Nozzle dummy. Let's copy the name. Make our life a bit easier. Of course. I need to close it. Import. I will rename it once more. Yes. Okay. Then I will add the reference to the lookup table, and let's see what we will have here. I'll change it to 600 because then it will work. Now let's add the expression. Oh, this one is wrong. Need to select the correct one. Yes. Great. Aha, of course. Let's see what we have here. We have DN. Okay, DN was already here. Like that. And by default we will use PN16. And now the only thing that I need to change is that I need DU1. And in case of DN600, it will be 610. Length will be defined by user. PN is the search value. Then the thickness of the facing. Then the thickness of the flange. Okay, C is missing. Let's add it. Third. C. Let's look at the dimensions. Like that. And that's it. Now we need to resave it as a CSV file. Done, and we need to reload it. And this is it. Then we need wait. Now let's indicate length, age. Oh my goodness, age is also missing. Let's add age then. Or in our case it will be L, length. And looking for age. Copy, paste. Great. Repeat the same exercise. And reload it here. Okay. Now we have L, E, N. Length is the user defined, PN is the search value as well as DN. Yeah, and let's add final one for description. Final property related to description. Default value will be error in this case. And the search property is called target property called name language 1 here. Yes, correct. this is it. And now let's just create geometry. Something wrong. Why is this equal to 700? No. Age for DN600 is eh? 88 millimeters. Okay. Let's reload it. Resave, save. Okay, okay. Close it and refresh. Great. Okay, okay. Yes, this side. I need to notice it. And yes, like that. Now let's just reduce the value of the length. Okay, that would make it easy. To my surprise. Okay, let's make it like that. And now let's create geometry. We will use it using revolve instrument. So now from here 45-degree. The neck itself, then it comes to the thickness of the elbow, then it inside diameter, and that's it. Let's lock K properties. Let's lock the geometry with the K planes. And add a couple of assistance dimensions. And here it's also let it be 45-degree. And at final we need to define the axis line of rotation. And here it is. And this is it. The family of the nozzle is ready. Now nozzle is ready, and let's load it to the project. Let's see how it works. Connector is working fine, and the rest items is also totally okay. Thank you for watching and see you next time.